Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you open Candy Crush and find yourself back at level 1 even though you know you were hundreds of level in? Here's exactly how to get your progress back. This almost always means the game is no longer recognizing the Facebook or King account your progress was actually saved under. Open the in-game settings and then check exactly which account is currently connected. If it shows that you're logged into a different account or no account at all, reconnect the same Facebook or King's account you originally used, making sure the email matches exactly. Once reconnected, play through a single level and let the game fully sync. Since sometimes simply completing one level forces the reconnection to take hold, if your progress still does not appear, go to the King community website and look for the contact support form. Select problem with my game, then save, and provide your account details and the level you remember being on. King support team can often manually restore your progress from there. So all you gotta do is check which account is connected in settings, reconnect to the right one, play a level to force a sync, and contact King support if it's still missing. That's it. Subscribe.